Hi, it's Dr. Kave. Thanks for everyone who's been sending all your supportive emails and asking about what's been going on this September. Just to update you, it's been very busy with lots of overnight calls and soft launching our clinic in San Francisco. It's called Harmony Infusion Therapy Clinic, and we're so excited to help more patients outside the operating room as they tackle debilitating mental and physical health conditions using the power of the mind and body. As you know, I always advocate for natural therapies whenever safely possible, even in the operating room for surgery. And thanks to everyone who's reached out on videomd.com with your personalized questions. You've all given me great ideas for a pipeline of videos about depression and what happens to your body when you're under anesthesia with depression. I have another video about the hacks that I use to help hypnotize patients as they're being intubated to help them wake up with less pain, less nausea, and a better chance of recovery after surgery. And another video on what happens to your body when you have PTSD and how physical traumas can affect mental health and how mental traumas can affect physical health. All showing just how powerful your mind is to heal your body. And that can be done naturally in so many of my patients. I actually had 2 patients this week that we did some powerful clinical hypnosis with so that they didn't need to get nearly as much anesthesia, so they woke up with so much less pain and so much less nausea. And it's not crunchy granola woo-hoo medicine that a lot of patients are afraid that it is when they first hear about it. And so many of you have emailed me asking about Karma and Mochi. Mochi's UTI is a lot better, and Karma is actually starting her canine guard dog training, so she's super obedient, and they're both going to be in so many more of my future videos. Thank you all for asking about them and for all your supportive emails. I can't wait to release the next set of videos, and we're thrilled about our clinic in San Francisco, where we empower patients to take control of their mind and body to help heal themselves, because you all have more power over your health than you've probably ever been told.